Hi, this is Irfan from Georgetown Toyota. At Georgetown Toyota, we install compustar engine immobilizer, and today I'll show you how it works. First of all, I'll tell you it comes with a user guide, a charging cable, and two key fobs. The key fobs are programmed, so if you come close to the car, it's called the proximity sensor. If you come close to the car, the engine immobilizer will be turned off and you can start your car and go. In case you want to manually turn on the engine immobilizer, you press the button once and it will manually arm the system. In order to disarm the system, you press the button twice. In case the battery dies of the key fob, you'll have to charge it for 2 hours, and once it's fully charged, you'll have to reset it. In order to reset the key fob, you have to press the button and hold it for 6 to 8 seconds. This will turn on the key fob and then you can start using the system again. If you have any questions, please contact one of our business managers at Georgetown Toyota and they'll be able to answer all the questions for you. Thank you so much. See you soon.